In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Remote Play not working or not connecting. These steps are straightforward and should take no more than 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start with one of the most basic troubleshooting steps, restarting your computer and your Steam client. While it might sound simple, restarting can clear out any temporary issues and reset your system's state. Once both your PC and Steam have been restarted, try launching Steam Remote Play again and see if the problem persists. Next, if a simple restart doesn't solve the issue, you'll need to open your Task Manager. On Windows, you can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, or by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, locate the Steam process in the list. Click on it and then hit the End Task button. This will completely close the Steam application, ensuring that any processes that may be causing issues are stopped. After this, log back into Steam and see if this has resolved the issue. Our next step involves checking for updates. In Steam, go to the main menu and check for any available updates for the Steam client itself. Sometimes bugs can be fixed through updates, so keeping your client current is essential. Similarly, head over to your library to check for updates to the specific game you are trying to play via Remote Play. Game updates can fix specific issues and can often improve compatibility with the Remote Play feature. Now, if you are participating in the Steam client beta and experiencing issues, it might be worthwhile to opt out of the beta program. You can do this by going to Steam, navigating to Settings, and selecting Account. From there, click on Change under the Beta Participation label and opt out. Beta versions can sometimes introduce instability, and returning to the stable release might smooth things out. While you're in the Settings menu, navigate over to Remote Play. Here you'll find an option called Enable Hardware Decoding. Disable this option. In some cases, hardware decoding can cause conflicts with certain system setups, so turning it off can often solve streaming issues. Finally, don't forget to check your internet connection. A stable and fast connection is key when it comes to streaming games. Make sure your network is functional and that there aren't any connectivity issues on your end. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with Steam Remote Play not working. As with any tech troubleshooting, patience and methodical steps are your best friends. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped get your games streaming smoothly again. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy gaming!